Welcome to the class, my dear students. I hope you all are doing fine. In today's lecture, we will discuss about concentration terms or reactions in solutions. A majority of the reactions in the laboratories are carried out in solutions. Therefore, it is important to understand as how the amount of substance is expressed when it is present in the form of solution. For that, we will discuss concentration term. But first, you should know what is solution. You have little bit idea of it because in class 9 chemistry, you learned this. Solution, it is a homogeneous mixture. Now, anybody in the class, please tell me what is homogeneous mixture? Anybody? Homogeneous mixture. Umesh, you tell me what is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture, which means the same composition and same appearance throughout the solution. Homogeneous mixture of two or more chemically non-reacting species or substances. So what is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more chemically non-reacting substances. Generally, we taken into consideration up to 12th level, we take binary solution. Binary solution in which there are two components. So, in solution, we generally deal with binary solution. One component is solute and another one is solvent. So solute generally which is present in less amount, and solvent which is generally present in more amount. For example, if I will add 50 gram of sugar in 100 ml of water or 500 ml of water, then our solvent is water and our solute is 50 gram or 1 tablespoon of sugar. It is solute and this whole makes the solution. The solution is homogeneous mixture of two or more chemically non-reacting substances. Now, we have to deal with concentration. So first, you should know the meaning of concentration. What is concentration? Concentration means how much concentration. It is the amount of solute. Now I hope the meaning of solute is clear to you. Amount of solute present in given amount of solution. What is concentration? How much amount of solute is present in a given amount of solution is your concentration. My dear students, for most of the cases, we take solution volume, but in one of the concentration term, we take the amount of solute present per kg of solvent. I will discuss this term, which is for molality. Molality, we do not take volume, we take per kg of solvent or solution. Fine, per kg of solvent we take. So what is concentration? It is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. It is your concentration. Now we have to deal with different types of concentration terms. I am categorizing the concentration terms on two bases. Like some of the concentration terms are temperature dependent. Some concentration terms are even mostly are temperature dependent and some are temperature independent. So I am categorizing the concentration terms in two parts, temperature dependent and temperature independent. Temperature independent. In those concentration terms in which volume is not involved and we have to deal with mass or weight. In those concentration terms in which volume is not involved, we have to deal with mass that are temperature independent, like your percentage weight by weight. We will discuss in the lecture molality, mole fraction. Those terms in which volume is not involved. It's your temperature independent. And those in which volume is involved, like percentage V by V, percentage W by V, molarity, normality, etc. They depend on temperature and it is temperature independent term. Now in the lecture we will take all these terms one by one. I hope till now it is clear to you all. If any doubt, then message me, or if it is clear, then give me thumbs up. Fast. I will check. Any doubt? Message me. No doubt. Rohit? Okay. Okay, fine. Good. If it is clear to you all. Next, I will take second concentration term, that is mole fraction. If any doubt, message me. Fast. If it is clear, Umesh, Garv, yes. Only 4, 5 students are properly involving in the class. Rest others are not participating. Okay, it is clear. Now, last topic of this chapter is molality. Last topic for this chapter is molality. My dear student, for Monday, just see NCERT, because on Monday I will discuss all the NCERT questions of this chapter. So first go through all the concepts of chapter 1 and try to solve the NCERT. We will discuss in the next class on Monday. Now, next is your molality. See, molarity and molality. Only one alphabet difference is there, but actually there is a lot of difference in these two terms. It is temperature independent term. Remember, and it is the best way of determining the concentration of any solution. It is the best way. Why? Because it is temperature independent. It does not involve volume of solution, it only involves mass of solution, which is same by any change in temperature. Is there any change in your weight in summer or winter season? No change, because masses are temperature independent properties. So what is molality? Molality is number of moles of solute present per kg. Remember, it is also mass per kg of solvent. In molarity, it is per liter of solution. In molality, it is moles of solute represented by small m. Suppose this is moles of solute present per kg mass of solvent. So number of moles of solute will be given mass over molar mass of solute into mass of solvent in kg. This is your molality, and it is the best way of calculating the concentration of any solution. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. If any doubt, then please let me know. Message me fast. In the today class, we have discussed the concentration terms. First one was your mass percent. Mass percent means the mass of solute over mass of solution into 100. Next was your mole fraction. Mole fraction represented by X, and it is equal to the number of moles of a particular component divided by number of moles of all the components present in the solution. And remember, mass sum of the mole fraction of all the components is always equal to 1. Next, molarity, which is represented by capital M, is equal to number of moles of solute present per liter of solution. It is temperature dependent term. Next, last is your molality, represented by small m. Its unit is moles per kg, and also small m. It is temperature independent, which is number of moles of solute present per kg of solvent. Now unmute yourself and